Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start this video with the way to fastly turn on and off this option, and after that I'll show you how to enter proper settings to customize it. So as I said, let's start with the quick option. So we have to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, so we will have this section opened, and here we have to find proper icon, which is right here. As you can see, this eye icon is connected with the reading mode. So in order to turn it on, we have to simply tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode because it will be much more comfortable. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and as you can see, the yellow color immediately disappears. And if you want, you can enter the settings just by tapping on this icon and holding it long enough until your device will transfer you to proper section. However, I'd like to show you the full path of how to get into the eye comfort options. So we have to enter the settings, then let's scroll down to find the display. And here we've got the reading mode. So let's tap on it. And of course, before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. As you can see, after that, we will have this mode option. So the classic and the paper. Basically, the only difference between those is that in the paper one, we will have the texture of the paper applied to the background. I'll show you both. Let's first of all enter the classic. As you can see right here, we've got the preview, so we can check how this mode will affect the colors. We can change the color temperature. Right now it is in the middle, so we've got a slight effect, I would say. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, so it is more like normal screen, I would say. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's almost orange, and what is more, we've got this information that the higher intensity might affect the way content is displayed. So this is where you can check on the preview. Again, up to you which option, which intensity is the most comfortable for you. And now let's switch to the paper. After tapping on it, you can see that the background changed a little bit. I'll try to show you it better. Let's enter the settings, and here we've got, as you can see, an additional switcher which is connected with the texture. The color temperature works the same. Let me leave it like this because I want to show you the difference in the texture. By going to the left, I'm not really sure if you can see it, but the background is more smooth, and by going to the right, the background is much sharper, just like a paper. Again, up to you. Here we've got also the colors mode, which is quite cool because we can decide whether we want to see full colors, which is right now light colors, which are a little bit washed out. As you can see, we can always check it on the preview, and we can also display everything in black and white, so monochromatic option is also available. Up to you, of course, which option you prefer. I think full colors are okay for me. Another thing which we can customize is the schedule option. So we can turn it on, and as you can see, we've got two different options. So we can set a good night's read, which simply means that your device will use the location, I believe, to estimate the sunsets and sunrises, and then it will automatically turn on the reading mode and off, of course. Or you can custom the period, so you can pick the start and the end time of your choice. Just swipe to pick the time and tap on OK. And as you can see, your device will use those hours. Of course, it did not apply the reading mode because we are not between the start and the end time. So it's up to you which option you want to use. Of course, just by picking this reading mode option, your device will basically this is a manual option, so you will have to decide and manually turn it on and off. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.